Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make green apple smoothie and aloe vera. I'm already cut, it's already clear gel in here. So let's go start it, okay? Okay, the apple already been cut. Just go ahead and start it. Drop it up. Container right here, blender right here, drop it. This is 2 apples because I want a lot of fruit, vitamin C. So I put 2 apples, and this is gonna be aloe vera gel. 1, 2 big one, 3, 4. Just right there. What I make for each, just go ahead, put it a lot, no problem. Yep, even better for you, the more benefits. Okay, just put the ice in there. Alright, there's ice in there. Okay, just get some little more. I like cold. Okay guys, I put kiwi concentrate right here. Put just a little bit of kiwi in there, just make a taste. Not much, I think that's good. I don't want too sweet. So right there. It's green tea, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the green tea in there. Jasmine green tea. Okay. Let's make a good smoothie and healthy. Let's go blend it. Make a good smoothie. You can make anything healthy. Alright, ready to drink. Okay, that's so healthy smoothie. Make up good for digesting in your stomach. Get that? Very good digest. Okay. Look at that. Healthy smoothie, apple, aloe vera. Take care. Okay, let me know how good it is. Let me know.